Hi guys, as I mentioned earlier, with the advent of AI, we are seeing the emergence of a new generation of design tools. One of the most powerful yet simple ones is Visily. It was built to help non-developers rapidly turn product ideas into polished visual designs. The goal was to eliminate the steep learning curve of traditional tools, and in my experience, it succeeds. I was onboarded in just about 2 hours. A key strength of Visily is to leverage AI to create the groundwork draft, handling roughly 80% of the work. You can then edit the result manually to refine, polish, and perfect the work. It can be seen as the last 20% of the work. This gives you full flexibility. Additionally, you can use it for brainstorming, wireframing, mockup creation, and prototyping. Happily, a free plan is available to begin with. When you need more, affordable paid plans exist. The first paid plan, for instance, is only $14 monthly. Excellent value and the one I personally use. Their onboarding approach is unbelievable. The resources section on their website provides clear, concise materials to learn easily. It is extremely simple, to the point, and effective. Try to appreciate their efficient user onboarding process. Furthermore, it offers several starting points to begin your design. First, start from a text prompt. Second, start from an external screenshot, like a website you admired. Third, start from a pre-built template. And fourth, start from scratch. Now, let's check the Visily workspace.
Okay guys, let's have a quick look at Visily AI. This is Visily AI website, and let me click login. Okay, now we are in the main panel of Visily AI. Let's get started from the left hand side. As you can see, I have a workspace where I can collaborate with my team members. Under that, I have three main options. The first one, team space. It is a space that I create projects and share them with my team members. I have another option which is shared. Under this option, I will have access to all projects that my colleagues shared with me. And finally, a private space where I can have access to all my private and individual projects. If you go to the right hand side, there is a horizontal bar that you can switch between multiple options. The first one, start with AI. Let's see what it is. Here you have access to a panel that you can communicate with AI by writing down your prompt. So you can straightforward go here and start typing, or you can hit the slash key and it gives you some pre-written prompts. For example, you want to create a mobile app. Here I can select this one, and then you will see the prompt, and then if you hit this button, it starts creating that visual design. Okay, more than that, you can start with a reference image. Here, let's say already you have seen a website that you admired and you got a screenshot, and now you can give that screenshot here to AI and write down your prompt and start designing your work based on that screenshot. One more thing here is that if you want to just test things out, you can switch between these options. Let's say web app. It gives you quickly a prompt that you can start designing, and you will see the result immediately to see how Visily AI creates visual designs. Okay, it's completely easy. And the other one is that you can start with pre-built templates. Here, if I go here, you can create a website. Let's say, for example, these ones, you can select them, and then you continue your work based on the pre-built templates. Okay. And more than that, you can go to this main option. Okay, here you can start designing a mobile app or web app. Let me select this one. When you select it, it gives you a preview of the pre-built pages. For example, this one, all these elements are editable. Then you can go to the next page, and if it is okay, then you can use this template. Okay, it's completely easy. And here you can switch between high fidelity templates and low fidelity templates. If I switch it to low fidelity, you can see that all colors are removed and you have low fidelity templates. And then finally, you have this option to create your work with a blank canvas. Okay, now let's go into one specific project that I already created. Okay, we are in. Let me start from the left hand side again. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. From the top, it says wireframe. In this option, you have access to a lot of elements that you can put or I mean drag to your you know screen to design your work. And the next one is a diagram, because Visibly AI helps you to design diagrams. You can draw like a painter, and other options that you have here, but let me focus on wireframe section, because this one is the one that we usually use. And let me start with adding a screen. Here, let me add this screen, for example. Now, here you can add multiple, elements. Let's say you want to add a heading, then you can start typing, for example, Mehdi, and then you can add other ones, some text, a button that you want, a drop down, and of course the radio button, and many, many more items that you can see here. More than that, there are some pre-built templates elements. For example, you want to add a card here. A card means a few data field for a single entity. Okay, or you want to add a form. As you can see, this is a form that you can sign up, but you can edit every element that you see on it. And yeah, one last thing is about icons, that you can switch between, you know, hundreds of icons that you want. It's completely flexible, guys. I really love it. I will explain these things in another video that I want to introduce various use cases of Visibly AI. Okay, let's go to the horizontal menu bar on top. As you can see here, you can switch between low fidelity design and high fidelity design. Let me switch to it. Yes, switch it. As you can see, we will see grayscale, designs. But if I go back again here, yes, it will be high fidelity design. More than that, you can go to prototype environment, where you can, add interaction. For example, I said if I click this one, then the next page should be shown or displayed here. How? By these arrows here that you can see. And more than that, you can go here to the right hand side and present your work to your stakeholders, to your customers, and of course your developers. If I click it, okay, now you can see I'm in the presentation mode. I even can go here and make it full screen, and you can see the result. And let me go back. Okay, so and we can switch between various slides, as you can see here. It's a great functionality here with Visibly AI. Let's go back. The next option is that you can share your final result with your stakeholders, customers, and of course developers. To do so, you can hit share, Here you can get exports from your work in various file types, for example JPEG, PDF, PNG. You can select the screens that you want to get an export of, and then the format, and finally it gives you the final files that you can send to your developers, stakeholders, and customers, as I already mentioned. And of course you can send it to Figma, and in Figma then you can continue more tuning and other functionalities that we have access to in Figma as well. Okay, before we close, I want to introduce a great functionality that we have access to, which is Visily AI Assistant. If you see below the canvas here, we have this blue button, Visily AI. If I click it, you will have a conversation window. Here you can say, hey Visily, I want to, for example, tune this screen. To do so, you need to select it first. Let's say by clicking this icon, I say I want to tune this screen. Then it will use it as its reference. After that, you can write down your prompt and then click this button, and it starts tuning your screen. It's really, really powerful. When it creates the result, it gives you a pre-screen or preview of the work like this one, and you can open it, see if it is okay, then you can add it to board. If it's not okay, you can go to another round of communication with AI to make it better and finally accept it. Okay, we are done with this section as well. In the next video, I will explain various use cases that we can have with Visily AI. Hopefully you enjoyed this section.